Welcome to first grade at Martin School. I'm Mrs. Kelley.
And I am Mrs. Wight. We are excited for a new school year.
But first we're going to show you how to go through the school. But first we have to put on our masks.
Okay. Put our masks on and open the door.
Maybe. Come with us! Thanks, Mrs. Wight. Oh, let's go this way. All right.
Okay, when you come in with your mask on, you're going to come here and get your breakfast, and you're going to sit in the cafeteria. Make sure you're sitting 6 feet apart. And then after breakfast, your first grade teacher, either myself or Miss Kelley, will come down and get you, and we will then go to the classroom. So follow me.
This is Hall C, and we will go down it to get to our classroom. But first, we have some rooms to stop by.
Some special classes.
Right here.
Oh, there.
If you open the door, you can go into the gym. And you'll be able to see some of your teachers. Look!
It's not bad because I'm in preschool. Hi, buddy.
Oh. And if we continue on,
Over here we have our library. Here you'll find lots of great books.
let's back out. On for the show. If you like to sing, this next room is a real place to go.
Because welcome to the music room.
Yay! Can't wait to hear you sing.
And play instruments.
All right, now we're going to continue down the hall. It's a long hall. You have to walk pretty far to get to our room.
We get lots of steps.
Lots. We are continuing on to hallway C.
This is the first grade hall with second grade.
We're gonna go into Mrs. Kelley's room first. We're in the process of getting ready for all you lovely first graders to come visit us and spend the year with us. Now we're going to go with Mrs. Wight to
Right across the hall to my classroom for all the new first graders. We are excited that you're going to be here soon. We're going to learn lots about reading and math this year.
We've got a couple people we need you to meet. This is Miss Mel. She's our wonderful, all-knowing secretary.
Hi.
All right, we're going to go down this hallway. Now, there's some people that aren't here, but we'll show you their office. This is Mr. Metz's office. He's not here today. Let's go over to Mr. Wheeler's office. He's getting trained.
He's our new principal.
You'll get to meet him soon. Ah, here's some of our lovely aides. Hi there. And Mrs. Nurse Jane. Hi. She loves to give snacks.
Yes, she does. Yes, she does.
Yep.
We know you're excited to come be a Martin Ram. Can't wait to see you.